Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the Picsart dress color. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Picsart application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, click on the Edit a Photo button at the top. Now, choose a picture for which you want to change the color of the dress. So, I'm going to choose this one. And if you'll be on the free version for Picsart, it will show you an ad that you'll have to cut out, skip it, then you will see your picture appearing in the Picsart photo editor. Here, if I would want to change the Picsart dress color, that is the dress color of my character, I'll have to simply click on the tools icon here, then choose selection. Here, I'm going to choose brush. Then I will have to adjust the size of brush. Now I will zoom into the dress of my subject and I will have to just do a highlight. So here what I did is simply chose the selection tool, then I chose brush, increased and decreased the size of brush and just highlighted the dress of the character. So I've successfully highlighted the dress of this character by using the brush tool. Now I will have to simply click on the effects icon at the top. Now I can choose various kind of filters for my dress by choosing this and clicking on the tick icon. Click on the effects icon at the top. Now, this will bring up that selection on the top. Now, I'll have to simply scroll to the right under effects and choose colors. Now, I can choose to add color splash. I can choose to add color replace. Now, after choosing color replace, I can click on the plus icon. Now, this will select that color. I will have to simply adjust this small circle at the top and that will replace the hue of this color. Also, I have the option to add the color of negative, invert the color, multiply it, color burn it, or I can simply navigate to color gradient and choose a gradient for the dress. I can also navigate to colorize, then choose multiply, color burn, darken, lighten, screen overlay soft and different options. You can choose color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4 and different kind of colors available here for your dress. For example, if I choose this red color that is color 1, I can choose to multiply it and it will turn to this color. If I choose blue, it will look something like this. After successfully choosing your color, you'll have to simply click on the tick icon at the top and this will instantly change the color of the dress. Now I'll click on tick icon at the top and as you can see, I've successfully changed the clothing color of the subject. So that is how you change Picsart dress color. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.